Kaizer Chiefs 0 Columbus 1. Wethu Khosi kubhedile namhlanje.
Yakhuluma inkalo yaseMatatiyela.
Yeah.
Ithi xa ithetha.
Ithetha ntoni?
Ikhuluma.
Ithini?
Abafana bethu they played very well.
Yeah.
They played very well.
Yeah.
Mistake, it's a mistake. Asiyasibuyela manje.
Yeah.
Sibuyela abafana badlalile. Ucoach wenzile umsebenzi.
Yeah.
Umfana omncane uphili. I'm very happy abafana baqala ukuhlangana. Ama results were so disappointing.
Yes.
When we talk football, but the basics is better, tactics is better. Okhona manje, we need to recover our mistakes. We missed 5 goals clear in the first half. Ukoshu was supposed to take his $8.
Yeah.
$8 5 goals clear.
Yeah.
That one, General Albertine branch.
Yeah.
Singabi happy.
Yeah.
Marani Timina, because Alpelmore. It's still coming. We've lost the game here too. Namhlanje bafethu bara Alpelmore. Ihlezi khona ephuma khosi amahle.
Siyabonga Khosi.